I got a new sketchbook. I was excited till I sat at my desk trying to come up with a special, spectacular idea to put on the first page. I didn't find any. I knew I was getting the creeps of the first page, so I decided to get over it by choosing a simple pattern to draw with watercolors. I wanted to try watercolors on this sketchbook, so I decided not to complicate things and conquer the battlefield with the help of two powerful weapons, this beautiful green color and a gorgeous black fine liner. Now, if you're like me, you may have the fear of the first page of sketchbook. So my advice is keep it simple. We need to understand that sketchbooks are not meant to be pretty. It should be a place to sketch an idea that you're still building. It's not meant to have the final refined drawing, unless you want it to be filled with nicely shaped lines and colors or characters. So it's actually up to you. The most important thing is not to force or stress ourselves to make the best out of it, because I think in art, the best is always yet to come. So you could choose to go wild with lines and colors, or just draw carefully not to mess the page. If you like the result, that means it's good. Whatever you did, the feeling you get after finishing or coming back to that page is the essential key to enjoy the ride of filling the other blank pages waiting for you. As for me, I chose to put some nice colors on the first page. I recently bought this sketchbook and I was wondering what can I start with. Eventually, I draw some simple shapes using different shades of green color, which is my current favorite color, especially olive green. I saw something similar on Pinterest. It was beautiful with different colors, but I thought I could make it in my way, so I chose different colors and different drawings or doodles. It's been a while since the last time I played with watercolor, so before I actually put the brush on the paper, my hand was hovering above, making shapes in the air because I didn't want to mess it up. Yeah, the pressure is real. But again, I told myself it's okay to make mistakes. If I didn't like it, I could turn the page and start over. Or in the worst scenario, get rid of it. And when I actually made a mistake, when the upper two shapes collided, I was like, oh my god, I did it. But it's not a big deal, really. I liked the result, and that's what matters. I used this black fine liner to draw some simple shaped leaves with some parallel lines inside to fill in the surface, yet not to cover the color underneath. Working on this page made me surprised by how my mind was relaxed when focusing on finding these different shades of green. I enjoyed the process. I enjoyed being concentrated till I lost the track of time. I made this video late at night, so it was quiet and I was absorbed in the calmness, enjoying every moment of this drawing. This is the paper I tried the colors on before applying it on the sketchbook. I didn't want to waste it. I thought I could do something with it, so I cut some shapes and I'll put it on the second page like this. I didn't finish it yet, but I think it's a good idea to try different things. I just want to go with any idea that comes to my mind, hoping that will help me to draw and grow more. This is how I chose to treat the first page of this sketchbook. If you're still worried about ruining the first page, you can always leave it or leave a few blank pages so you can go back whenever you feel comfortable. When I did that to another sketchbook, I felt less pressured. You could see here I was trying to summon my spirit animal, but I wasn't ready. So I left the first page and jumped to the second. I draw a random head, then I decided to dedicate this sketchbook to study the heads on the Book of Loomis, drawing the head and hands. Anyway, you could also use stickers along with quotes. I saw that on some videos on YouTube and I love it. Just remember, it's better to do what makes the process of drawing enjoyable and pleasant. I hope this would help you to start a new sketchbook and motivate me to continue this journey of drawing and self care.